Do you have any flea market tips?
Always bring hand sanitizer, because it's disgusting. It's just gross, but I love it.
And everything's expensive, so also bring money if you didn't consider that already.
My best thrifting tip is just to go in with an open mind. A lot of the pieces you see are going to be amplified when you upcycle them, right? So you have to walk in there with a very open imagination.
If you're in a big city like Los Angeles, like I am, I get out of the city because usually in a big city, it's oversaturated. There's so many, dealers and people looking for things. So there's not really the good deals like you find if you go to a small city and go look in your phone and find those good deals.
Plan ahead, bring a truck or some sort of you're gonna want more than you think you're gonna want. Be better at bartering, I think, is a good tip if you're gonna go to a flea market.
Also look through everything because there's so many hidden gems and some of the vendors have such big spaces that they have just tables with millions of things. So if you really have the time to go through everything, I feel like that's where you find like the coolest pieces.
My favorite thrifting tip is to look for seasonal items off season. So, around March, April, May, I like to look for a Christmas item.
Having some rules when shopping will only help you with decision making. So certain rooms in my house, it's like all brass. My bedroom's all silver. And that kind of works when I'm out in the field because I'll see something that has like the style of my dining room, but maybe it's silver and I'm like, well, okay, I have to pass up now. It gives me some parameters that keeps me from, just buying things willy-nilly.
I would say my top thrifting tip is to go in without looking for anything specific. Thrifting is really difficult if you have one thing on your mind. You really have to go in with an open mind. And if you find something amazing you love and you don't have the perfect place for it right that moment, get it anyways, hold on to it because you'll be glad you did. Because thrifting is really a journey and you kind of have to let it guide you.